Good morning, Dave here. It's Friday, the whatever. I'm here in Tuy Hoa. I've had a bit of a nightmare. Now, for some reason my internet stopped working yesterday on the when I'm wandering around the streets and that on the SIM card. So I've been to one shop about a mile away. They hadn't got what I needed. Sent me down to this shop. Loads of beautiful ladies. They sorted me out a SIM card and got my phone up and running again. So trouble is I had to buy a month's SIM card and I'm only here for 2 more weeks. So anyway, I'm going to take a little walk down here, grab a coffee I think, or a beer. I must be getting somewhere near the beach now. Can't be too far. And the road seems to go on for a long way. Got a market over the road, little market. I'm marking it out. I don't need to do any more markets. I just need a coffee. Or the beer. There are 2 sets of traffic lights and I think I'm more or less there. Another one looks like a phone shop over the road. There are a few about. Girls are all very helpful. Now I've got internet, so I'll start to get worried because when I roll into town, I need my map to send me away to the hotel and stuff like that. So it's all right having Wi-Fi in cafes and bars and hotels, but as soon as you leave, you haven't got the internet. Well, that's for a beer at the store here. They give me Sunest Europe Yen Seo Can Hoa, which basically is like a sweet liquid. So we'll drink that and then I'm going to get a beer. So the second thing that I picked up without looking at, that I poured into my glass, I thought was beer, and now I've got Red Bull. So I'll be lively later. The old legs are aching a bit today. I might walk down to the beach, chill down there for a while and then get a taxi back up to the hotel. So I wasn't going to bother walking down to the beach. It's the rest of the length of this road. It's probably about half a mile. I'm probably halfway there from my hotel. The only reason I carried on is because the phone shop that I went to was near enough halfway here. So we'll go take a look at the beach. Hope to find somewhere to chill out down there. Just found a bar. Very rare around here. Don't see too many bars. There is a lot of shops that do the rolls and the different foods, and they also sell beer, so I suppose you could class them as bars. This road seems to go on forever. You've got a hotel here. It's a Saigon Oyen hotel. We do quite a large swimming pool. of these steps up. I'm an old man. Little fishing boat on the bridge over there. All painted up and surrounded by flowers. And here, just lots of flowers and another boat. In fact, I think it's half of that boat over the road. That's it, we've reached the end of this road. Just veer off round to the left. And I think that just follows the coast along. But I'm gonna go straight on and hopefully round the next corner, not very far away hopefully, will be the start of the beach. Now I've looked on the map, so it's a very long beach. So we'll see what it's like. A little bit of music going on down there. A bit of karaoke going on. I might make my way back there and have a drink. Might even get a song out to me. The man's there preparing whatever he's preparing. I'm not sure what it is. It's on the old kebab stick, so I'll be up for cooking soon. This is the end. I probably should have booked my hotel. It's too late for that now. I've booked the bus to the next destination. A couple of 100 miles, 200 or 300 miles up the coast. So I'll get the bus just down from my hotel. The girl told me to be there around 12:30. So I'll be there before 12 and just sit and have a coffee. Right, so even this road, they got a road off that goes down the coast, but I just think I've got to carry on straight on. So if you're going to live over here, these would be ideal houses to have, I think. Plenty going on by the look of it. You got the IBA Saigon beer down there. I think something like that would do me. Look at the old building, just a nice size, bedroom and living room. That'd be perfect. That'd be what I'm looking for when I get over to Thailand, I think. Something like that. That's hopefully very near to the beach. We're going to find out in a second. There's the beer adverts. Saigon beer. I don't see anyone serving it, they all seem closed up. But I can hear music. Well, sort of. Oh no, they stopped.
Được chứ, sau đây là một vài video.
And that's it. I think I've just about made it to the beach, and I don't think I'm going to be able to get to the beach anyway. Got a brand new warper up. Stop the water coming up. Hello, hey! Here we are. We're totally underdeveloped right here. I'm going to buy around here. This would be the time, I think. Looks like there's a lot more seawall going up. Okay, so it's beach as far as you can see down that way. Let's go down and have a look. A lot of junk about down here. Waves are looking a bit lively out there. This is the beach at Tuy Hoa. Sorry if there's too much wind noise. The beach goes round the bay as far as you can see. Once I get all of this lot tidied up, it's going to be cracking round here. So when I was sitting down drinking my Red Bull and the other soft drink that I had a bit of a headache coming on. I've had a couple of paracetamol, and that's starting to ease off now. The old knees are playing up a bit. I think I've walked quite a long way, so I'm going to go and find somewhere to sit down and grab a beer, and that'll be this one done. Hello. Nice to see you. It looks like all the neighbours joined in, so no one's annoying each other. Singing songs. Didn't see, but probably drinking beer as well. They're just enjoying themselves. Not sure where I'm going to get beer from. Maybe here, if anyone's in. Okay, so down by the beach, just walking back now. I was going to get a grab bike back to the hotel, or back near to the hotel anyway, but they're all busy, so it means I've got about 2 miles to walk back, which I didn't really want to do, but I'll get back up there. I'll have a nice beer when I get up there, and then go back to the hotel and relax for a bit until I decide to go out for something to eat. So 2 miles, poor old legs are going to feel it later, but I've got nothing better to do anyway. Well, I hadn't seen that big Buddha since I've been here. We're not going to see any more of him now because I'm going to be taking a left. So there's a big Buddha. Be happy with that. The old legs are starting to ache now. So I'll make my way back up to the hotel. Go and have a beer. A couple of chickens in the road. You get there every day, don't you? There they come. Not really interesting. Okay. A bit clueless to where I am, but I think I'm near to home. Like I said, the old legs have started to feel it. I think the station is straight on here. I think that's where I had a beer the other night. So I'm going to walk up here, up to the corner.
In 200 metres, turn left.
Yep, I will do after my beer, darling. I'm going to walk so far up there, and I think I'll be able to grab myself a nice cold beer with icing. Surely need to sit down. Must have done about 5 or 6 miles, and the legs weren't feeling good when I left. So I think that'll be more or less it from this vlog. I might show you my last beer before I go and have a rest. Other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell, and if you get time, just leave the adverts running. Okay, thanks for watching, bye bye. So now, we've got someone watering the garden over there, the plants and whatever. I know where I am. Come back up to the church, which I originally seen when I walked in here. That road over there takes you down to the station, and this road going straight on here up to the next junction after these traffic lights takes me up to the road where my hotel is. So I walk up to the corner where that bus just went by, and I know there's a bar there. As long as it's open, you can sit and have a quiet beer. It's only just gone 2:30 in the afternoon, but the old legs are feeling it, so I need to rest. There I am, got the junction up there, just crossing the railway lines in a minute. Just where the junction is, on the right, see a load of chairs out, so hopefully I would sit down, have a couple of beers, then go to the next. So yeah, There's the railway, both ways. We'll go and relax over there. It's fairly quiet at the moment, this early afternoon. Good night to go by or whatever it is. Yeah. So we're up to the junction tomorrow at 11:30, 12 o'clock. I've got to take a right here, walk about a quarter of a mile down the road to the bus station. Hello. Nice to meet you. Hello. So all the tables are out, so that means it's beer o'clock. So yeah, that's it, I'm here now. Okay, this bit's for the start of the video. Just a warning to you. I'm sat down having a beer at the end of my little walk down to the seafront. There are Honda dealers over the road. That all turns into restaurants on that corner at night. Yeah, so I walked all the way down there to the beach. It's getting on 2.5, maybe 3 miles. So I've got back here. Basically I've gone and got my phone fixed. Then went down to the beach, had a couple of beers here and there. So I'm back here now near my hotel. So if you can't be bothered to watch, I understand. That's basically what the video is. Couldn't get a taxi back, I tried to, but couldn't get hold of one. So the old legs are fairly tired now. So anyway, that's what the video's about. Hope you enjoy. If not, move on to the next. Thanks for watching. Interesting watching all these bikes. You've got the main dual carriageway up ahead. They just drive straight out into it. Cars and bikes. They just sort of merge together. Generally seems to work. They don't really stop at the junction, they just sort of keep rolling and just time it. So that's how it works. I did see one near miss here where someone stopped and someone had to brake pretty hard and slow the back end out a bit, but other than that, see, they just merge into it bit by bit. He's stopped out there now. They're all at it, they just don't see many rules, but they must have them. They do really good. Goes another one, didn't stop. They all sort of slow down. And that's how it works. A bit like the Philippines, I think, with the driving. Not quite as mad in Thailand, but it's still mad.